Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PlayStation 1 games on your PlayStation Portable. First, you will need to convert your PlayStation 1 game files into a format your PSP can understand, specifically an eboot file. Next, you'll transfer these converted files to your PSP's memory stick. Finally, I'll show you how to easily locate and launch these classic games right from your PSP's XMB menu, bringing your favorite retro titles on the go. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of nostalgic gaming. To begin, you'll need your PlayStation 1 game files, typically in ISO or BIN/CUE format. These are digital copies of your original discs. Then, you'll use a specialized software tool, such as PSX2 PSP, on your computer. This program converts your PlayStation 1 game files into a single eboot PBP file, which is the format your PSP recognizes. The conversion process usually takes only a few minutes per game, preparing them perfectly for portable play. Once your eboot files are ready, connect your PlayStation Portable to your computer using a standard USB cable. Your PSP should appear as a removable drive. On your PSP's memory stick, locate the PSP folder, then open the game folder within it. For each PlayStation 1 game, create a new, uniquely named folder inside this game directory. Then, simply drag and drop the eboot PBP file for that game into its respective new folder. This ensures proper organization and recognition. With the eboot files successfully transferred, safely disconnect your PlayStation Portable from your computer. Power on your PSP and navigate to the game menu on the XMB or cross-media bar interface. From there, select Memory Stick. You will now see your PlayStation 1 games listed, each with its own icon. Simply select the game you wish to play, and it will launch, allowing you to relive those classic moments on the go. Enjoy your expanded portable gaming library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.